If you want your nodes to talk, you're likely going to need custom signals. So let's dive into Godot. I have the scene here, and I want this lever to open this door over here. And to achieve that, I'm going to use a signal. And there isn't a built-in signal for that, so I will have to make a custom one. So I have a script attached to my lever, and I'm gonna go into that. And inside of here, I'm gonna make a new signal. And that's as easy as creating a variable. You just type signal, and then you give it a name. I'm gonna call this open_door. And now we need a way to emit the signal to whatever we connect it to. And to do that, we say open door, which is the signal name. Then we do dot emit, and that's all you have to do to emit it. And then for connecting, there's two ways that I'm aware of. You can double click on the signal that's in the signal tab to connect it. Then we have to select a node that has a script attached to it. And I want to connect mine to the door sliding double. And let's go into the door sliding double script. And now I can see that there's a new function in here. And I was just created by connecting the signal. And for example, I can play the animation when this signal is called. So I'm gonna run the game, walk over to the lever, interact with it, and it opens the door. Another way to connect the signal is to get the name of the node. So the lever, I'm gonna right click on it and do access as unique name. Then I drag it into the script, and then I do dot, and then I search for the signal. So that's open_door, and then I just do dot connect, and then parentheses, and I have to connect it to a function that I make myself. So I'm gonna go down here, and I'm gonna call this function custom door. And in this function, I also want to play the animation. So inside of the connect, I'm gonna connect it to the custom door function. And then lastly, in between the function and the parentheses, you have to do dot bind, and then it's successfully binded to the function. Now if I run the game again and walk up to the lever and interact with it, it will do the same as before. So here are two ways to connect custom signals. Thanks for watching, and special thanks to my members. For source code, custom videos or coaching, check out my Ko-Fi, and I'll see you in the next one.